for this project, we decided to create a supervillain.
First, a brief summary of her life.
There once was an ordinary girl from Russia. Her parents were scientists who wanted to create better humans. They decided to use their daughter as a way to experiment with their creations. Because of this, she got superpowers, this one's being super speed, time manipulation, and self-healing. Due to all of this, the girl had to go through horrible things all throughout her life until she became a villain and wanted to take revenge. Well, who is this girl? Her name is Irina Petrovna. Her real name is Oshibka, and that is a Russian word that means mistake. She is from St. Petersburg, a city in Russia. Her parents were Catalina and Lukian Petrov, were in past because she killed them both.
Now the appearance and personality of our supervillain. She's a female teenager. She has black hair with strands of lighter colors around it, green eyes, skinny physique, and white skin with some marks around it, mostly in her right arm. And that is why she used like a lot of bands around it. She's shy, negative, lazy, and intolerant, and the chemicals affected her brain. And then her superpowers. She has 3 superpowers, and the first one is the super speed. She has it because she has a very strong body, which allows her to do not destroy herself by traveling at the speed of light. Then the time manipulation, because she used her super speed to travel at the speed of light, which is a way to travel in time, but through the present, past, or future. And the last one is self-healing. That is basically because she has a special cell division which allows her to regenerate parts of her body.
So now I will tell you a little bit of her life and the reason of why she became a villain. So first of all, her life in school. She entered to school when she was 13 years old and she suffered bullying. She had only a few friends, like 2 or 3. And she was a good girl, but the only thing was that she was different. And also, everybody judged her because of the way she was, even her teachers. One day in school, her teachers told her that she must have her hair with its natural color, and she defended by saying that it was like that. But her teachers didn't believe it and started laughing at her. So she decided to go running to her house, and when she got there, her parents told her that it was time to go to the laboratory because they were gonna try something new. She entered the room and sat down in a chair. Her parents took her arm and injected some chemicals which made self-healing better. After that, she felt dizzy, and her mother told her that it was time for the final test. And at the same time, she took out a saw and turned it on. But then, Irina reacted in a very bad way because all her anger came out. She started screaming, and her mother started trying to calm her so that she could make the test, but the problem was that Irina used her super speed to try to skip her mother, and then she took out the saw and cut her parents' head, and they died. And in that moment was when her life as a villain started. So she plans on modifying the society, her enemies, in a bad way, as revenge. And she got help with the chemicals given to her before. She has all the recipes, so she knows what to do. And her base, or the place in which she will make all her plans, is in an old school bus.
So basically, this is how our villain looks like. She has like a lot of strands of lighter colors around her hair. She uses like a jacket with a strange design. Her face is like that because we wanted her to look like if she is crazy, and actually she is crazy because she has a lot of mental problems. And she has like a lot of bends around her right arm because she has a lot of marks because of the experiments that her parents made on her. And she used like nuclear suit or scientific suit as a pant. And the last thing is her belt. Her belt has like a lot of stuff for her plants that are like injections or I don't know, basins, potions, and yeah.
And these are our sculptures.